What's up, FaZe Lemon here. Some more J-Car stuff time. So today will be the first 3 levels up to pull up. Right here. On easy. How to get gold. So here we go. First level. Pretty simple. Just, go straight and stuff. Yeah, don't feel like I almost did. There we go. Gold. Let's go twist on. Very simple. There we go. Get around the corner now. Here we go. Let's just use some of the boost. And kabam. Another gold. So now, time to pull up. Here we go. Wait, what? What's that? Okay, here we go. By the way, I'm just going to use some cheats in this level because get this over with. I want to get to like the really hard levels for you guys here on YouTube. If I don't fail, okay, there. Only took me 10 years. Okay, here we go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on the stuff for, yeah. Okay, see ya.